Hey everyone, welcome to the City Escape Grill. Today we are once again going to be firing up the Weber Q here. Using the griddle, we're going to make some smash burger style sliders. 3 different ways. You're going to love these recipes, so stick around. Today's recipe begins with some organic grass-fed ground beef, and this is 85/15. When choosing your ground beef, just know that the higher the fat content, the tastier your sliders are going to be. And since we're making these sliders smash burger style, we're not going to actually form patties, we're going to form meatballs about the size of a golf ball, maybe just a tiny bit bigger. Hit them with a little bit of salt and a little bit of fresh ground black pepper. And these meatballs are ready for the grill. The next thing we're going to do is prep our toppings. And our first topping is going to be shiitake mushrooms. And we are going to pair the shiitakes with Havarti cheese. Next we have some Vidalia onion. And we're going to pair that with blue cheese. And for our third slider, we've got some really nice thick cut bacon. And we're going to pair that with the classic combination of cheddar cheese.
Hello, Olympia restaurant.
Cheeseburger, 2 Pepsi, 1 chip.
Cheeseburger, 2 Pepsi, 1 chip. You have to go for cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. No.
And now that we're finally ready to start grilling, we're going to fire up the Weber Q. And I'm going to let this preheat for about 5 minutes. First thing I'm going to throw onto the griddle is the bacon, and I'm going to cook this on a low heat because the griddle runs pretty hot. After about 2 minutes, our bacon is ready to flip. And we're going to hit the griddle with some butter. I'm using Kerrygold salted butter here. Going to add the onions to the griddle and our shiitake mushrooms. For our buns, I've got some slider-sized potato buns. I'm going to quickly toast these up. Now don't go too far from your grill because potato buns cook very quickly and they will burn on you. Alright, so I'm just going to fast forward through the cooking of the toppings and the buns. I mean, this doesn't take very long at all. Maybe a minute or so with the buns and just a couple of minutes longer with the onions, the mushrooms, and the bacon. And just like that, our toppings are all ready, the buns are toasted, and now it's time to put some meat on the grill. And we're going to add our meatballs, and using a griddle spatula with the assistance of a beer bottle, I'm going to press those meatballs into the griddle so they're nice and flat. It doesn't take long, maybe like a minute, 90 seconds maybe. These are ready to flip. And look at that beautiful crust from the griddle. You know these are going to be delicious. And now for the cheese. We've got our Havarti, our blue cheese, and our cheddar. And we're going to close the lid and pull these off when the cheese has melted. And maybe another minute and a half later, we've got some melted cheese. Oh man, look at that Havarti. Beautiful. Blue cheese is melted all over the place. Oh, so good. Can't wait. And then finally, our cheddar cheese. Now to add the toppings, we've got our shiitake mushrooms, our grilled onions, and last but certainly not least, our crispy, thick-cut bacon. And here we have our final dish. Sliders 3 ways, smash burger style, made on the Weber Q griddle. It just doesn't get any better than this. Okay, so we've got our sliders. We've got the Havarti and mushroom right here, the blue cheese and onion in the middle, and the classic cheddar and bacon on my left. So we're gonna give these a try. That's a great combination. Highly recommend Havarti cheese. I love the way it melts, and those shiitake mushrooms really go well with the Havarti flavor. That is a great burger. A great little slider, I should say. Fantastic. Now for the blue cheese and onion. The blue cheese can be very overpowering, but we'll give this a try and see what it tastes like. That is so good. So good. I love blue cheese. I love blue cheese on a burger. And with the grilled onions, that is absolutely fantastic. Can't go wrong with that. Highly recommend both of those so far. And now for the classic cheddar and bacon. Nice thick cut bacon. Wow. It's hard to say which one is the best of these three. They're all different. They're all fantastic. Give this recipe a try. Give all three of these a try. Make some sliders. Use your Weber Q griddle to make some sliders. The crust that forms on the griddle with the smash burger style is so good. And then these 3 different cheeses with the different toppings. Give these a try. You're gonna absolutely love all 3 of these. If there are other toppings you'd like to have on your burgers or your sliders, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear what you think. And if you like this video, please leave a like. It helps me out a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. And of course, keep on grilling.